Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you all. If you are new, then please go ahead and take a second to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome back. So today, in today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair, but today is January 24th, 2020, and I cut my hair. Just got back. Well, not just got back, but I had went to go meet up with my mom to get my ends trimmed because I had been meaning to get my ends trimmed for quite some time. But due to that, my ends eventually turned into my hair because those really nasty see-through ends were riding up the rest of my hair, and my fear was that it would then cause further damage. So pretty much just told her to clean up and chop everything that was unhealthy and unnecessary, and so she went ahead and did that. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and style right now. Typically what happens is that after I get a cut or a trim, my mom is typically the only one that trims my hair, and outside of that there's another young lady that trims my hair, and she's been doing my hair since I was 18. Those are really the only two people that I go to. My hair just grows back like crazy. I don't think about it. I don't, you know, bother checking to see if it's gotten any longer. I honestly just let it do what it does, and a girl is good to go. I'm very excited to see how my hair is going to turn out now that it's much shorter. This is probably like the shortest it's ever been. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we just gonna get into the styling. Products I'll be using today are the Main Choice Tropical Moringa leave-in, the Mielle Organics MoistureRx hair butter, and my TGIN anti-breakage serum. So starting off on my damp hair, I'm just splitting those sections into two, and I'm going in with the leave-in and thoroughly applying this through all of my hair. I typically always start off with two sections just because it's way easier for me, and now with my haircut, my hair does feel a lot thicker and way more manageable, so I'm just making sure to get all of this product in there. Once all of my leave-in is on, I'm now going to create my desired part, and I went with a side part for this one just because I was really excited to see how my hair would turn out with the side part now that my hair is shorter, and I'm just making sure that the part is nice and clean and really neat before styling. So once I have the part to my liking, I'm just going to continue that part behind my ear and pretty much separate the front section of my hair and gather the rest of my hair with a hair clip. And now splitting that front section into two smaller sections. Y'all already know what my routine is. This is a go-to for me. I'm just going to start working on that first front section and pin the smaller section to the back. And then grabbing that section, I'm going to start applying my products. I'm just running my Denman brush through to avoid any tangles. So first thing is the MoistureRx hair butter because I've already applied my leave-in. So I'm going straight into styling and I'm smoothing that on. And then I run my Denman brush through one more time. And I didn't catch it in this clip, but I did apply that TGIN oil before I started twisting. So here I am just starting my twist. So once that twist is done, this is pretty much what the first section looks like, and you can see that it's already really juicy and really shiny, which I was really excited about. So moving along, I'm going to repeat the same steps on that next section. So taking it down, brushing it through with my Denman brush, applying my MoistureRx hair butter by Mielle Organics and smoothing it on thoroughly. Smoothing my Denman brush through once more, and then applying that TGIN anti-breakage serum. And I just commence my twist. So here's a closer look at how I get my chunky twists to look really neat. I just try to take my time as much as possible, so that would be my biggest tip for you all, is that make sure that you are grabbing the hair securely, but also taking your time so that you aren't causing too much of an ache to your scalp. And this is just the way that I've learned to make my twists really neat. And then securing it with a perm rod at the end, which was a lot harder for me, as you can see, just because my ends are cut now. So I have to really grab onto that hair. I just secured it in place and move on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat these steps on the rest of my hair. Alright, so once I've finished, these are all of my twists, and I did a total of 7 twists all together. And look at how plump those look. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. So once I went ahead and secured everything overnight, it is now the next morning and it's time to take these bad boys down. You can see that those twists are really shrunken, and I actually didn't sit under the dryer for this one, so we're gonna pray for the best. Going in with my TGIN anti-breakage serum, I'm gonna remove those perm rods to commence the takedown. And once all those perm rods were taken down, this is pretty much how my hair looks while they're still intact. I was checking to see if any areas were damp, which they were, but it's cool. We're gonna take these down, y'all. So once everything was taken down, this is pretty much how my hair looks while it's still flat. And then going in with my pick, I started picking the sections of my hair. Unfortunately, that back section that you see was the most damp out of all of them, but it's okay. It's fine, because do you see the shine? Do you see how plump and healthy my ends look? Just the overall look of my hair is 1,000 times better, which I absolutely love. Alright guys, so this is the final look with my new cut. I am honestly in shock. This is like the shortest my hair has ever been. This side didn't get to dry as much as I wanted it to, so my ends are still a little damp, hence why it's a bit more stretched out than this side. But I'm gonna stretch this side out with my blow dryer before I leave. But overall, I really love how my hair turned out. It feels so much fuller. It looks so much healthier. I don't have those scraggly crazy ends anymore, and it just feels so nice, and the takedown was super easy on top of that. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will be taking charge of your 2020 changes that you're making this year. One of my biggest changes was definitely my hair, and so it's gonna take some adjusting, but I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave some comments down below as far as what you guys thought. Give this video a thumbs up and share with anyone who is probably still a little too bashful with going for the big cut. Do it. So good. It's so liberating. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.